What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today I'm wearing my Ethereum hat. It's not really Ethereum, my Ethereum shirt. It's not really Ethereum, it's actually Volcom, but it looks like the Ethereum symbol a lot. So I like it, man. It's like my S symbol, right? You know? So we'll just treat it as it's the F symbol. It's not Volcom. This is Ethereum. This is me repping F, right? So today what I want to do is just kind of go into the Bitcoin price a little bit, see what's going on, and then we're going to look at Ethereum. I've been looking for news all day, and I mean, I don't know if things just got really boring or if I'm just not seeing the good news stories today. But there was basically nothing. I mean, I was looking through Decrypt, CoinDesk. There's just nothing. Coinbase, there's like no good news. So let's look at the charts. I have to make 2 videos a day. We have some momentum going now. I really need to come up with a good video idea. Kind of like my XRP Flare video that's popping up right here that is almost at 5K views, and if we can get that thing to 100,000 views, that's not viral, but that's huge for this channel. If we can get that video to 100,000 views, I'm giving you guys $100 in crypto to split between 5 people, I believe, 5 or 6 people. And so let's smash the like button. Go over there to that video that I just had up in the description, up and pop up above just a minute ago, and get over there and let's get that video to 10,000 views. And then once it gets to 10,000 views, it'll just take off from there, and then we'll see 100,000 views. Depending on how much we get, I still might do a giveaway, even if we only get to like 10,000 views. So we basically only have to double it right now. And if we can double it, then I'm going to give money away anyway. But if we get to 100,000, I might even give more away than $100, guys, because that'll be huge for my channel. That'll be huge for us to grow. So let's support the channel. Everybody who watched it, everybody who is a loyal subscriber, let's share it. Let's like it. Each one of those things gets it to other people's eyes. So that's why I'm asking you to do that, because when you do it, it tells YouTube, hey, this is good to go to other people. So that's why I've done so good and almost have 5,000 views on that video. More than 5,000 if you count both of the times that I posted it. We're over 5,000 views there. So we want to get it up to 10,000, and then we want to go to 100,000, right? So, and we can celebrate together by making money. That's what we're in it for, right? So, all right, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart here and see if we have anything at all. Yeah. Yeah. So I just don't see anything here. No. I mean, here's a head and shoulders pattern. So, okay, we're on the 1 hour. This is definitely a head and shoulders pattern right here. Here's the head, 1 shoulder, 2 shoulders. And it looks like we're going to break to the upside of that, guys, because the neckline would be right here. This is the neckline. So here, I'll show the neckline right here. So starting from this one, and it would go all the way over to this one. So it looks like we already done broke out about here. Let's actually, I think that might be a little low, actually. Let's go right there. I think that's probably the neckline. So when we broke above it over here, we're good to go. So we're possibly going to go up to right here. which is the $35,000 level again. Last couple times we have broke to the downside on the head and shoulders patterns. So this time, looks like we're going to break to the upside because unless it comes back down and goes below this neckline right here, if it does go back down below this neckline, we could see it drop to some of these lower tested levels. 33,100 is one of the main levels right here, somewhere right here. Yeah. So, yeah, Bitcoin's looking like it's doing all right. It's a consolidation period right now, right? So everything in the market is getting ready for its next big move. And this is such a great cool-off period for Bitcoin and the other altcoins that they will actually be able to gain huge amounts next time that we have a big bull market. See, we were getting so far up in the bull market that even when we were having huge gains with Bitcoin and, Ethereum and stuff, a lot of the altcoins weren't gaining anymore. They were just going back down and then back up and then back down and then back up. So what we want to do is we want a clear takeoff period. We want these 10x gains. We want these 100x gains with these altcoins, right? So we have to follow the Bitcoin price and we have to predict from how that is doing to what we need to do with these altcoins. And you got to keep an eye on the regular price of these altcoins to make sure that you're buying them at the right level at the right time, and that way you can make a profit. Okay, so I just want everybody to take a second to think about what you're doing here and to research a little bit of the history of Bitcoin and the cycles and the way that it reacts in the market. It being a cyclical coin, there is huge super patterns in the chart. And that just basically means that there are patterns that are consistent, that spread over long periods of time, that happen over and over, like the halving. You have, supply and demand, and yeah. So that being said, let's move over to Ethereum. I want to take a look at the Ethereum chart right now because it has gained, quite a bit of momentum recently. So I really wanted to put some attention on this right now. I think it has a lot of potential to take off really big even before ETH 2.0 comes out. Right now, Ethereum is on track to be one of the biggest currencies in the entire globe. And, next to the US dollar, it is second only to Bitcoin, really. As for the United States. But like Europe and stuff, yeah, they got the euro and the pound. But I'm talking about the US and stuff. Just, it goes to dollar and then Bitcoin and then Ethereum. So this kind of looks to me like an ascending, broadening wedge. So look at the clear takeoff points. It could also be a head and shoulders pattern in there. This being the head right here, and then this being the shoulder, and this being another shoulder right here. So that's a possible head and shoulders pattern. If that's true, it broke to the upside already because it's above the head. So that already played out, so that really has no significance right now. Let's get rid of that if I can. So the head and shoulders look like it did play out to the upside. That's pretty cool. But we have this ascending, broadening wedge right here. And that normally is a good sign, and it could possibly break out to the upside here. We do have clear resistance right here. We keep hitting, off of this level right here. About the, it kind of raised a bit around the $23,000, $24,000 level. We did come above it right here, and then we had a breakdown, and then a bigger breakdown, and then we had a nice little pump, and then we had a nice little dump. So we're on the pump again. Hopefully, if this can break out above this resistance line right here, I could see Ethereum going up to all the way up to like 2,600, maybe 2,500 right now. And just taken off. As the hat says, go Ethereum, baby. You heard? You heard it here first. I mean, we do have a little bit of selling pressure in the RSI. It's getting kind of high up there, which, it could go back down, but I doubt it. Yeah, it could see a continued high level, like kind of right here. See how it did that, but eventually it ended up breaking down. So if we continue this high level, we can hit above it for a little while. This is oversold right here, so we're not quite oversold yet. I think it looks pretty good for Ethereum for right now. I am definitely going to learn how to do the volume stuff and the golden bucket ratio, the Fibonacci sequence. Say hi to the kitty. He came to stop by. He is a big Ethereum fan. So if anybody knows anybody who wants to give my cat some Ethereum, I will put it in the description below. You can donate Ethereum to the Bitcoin Renegade cat. Come take a look. He's huge. He's like a mini panther. Look how big he is. Oh, man. Oh, I'm a huge kitty. Yeah. So he appreciates all the Ethereum you'll give. Or you can donate Bitcoin to the channel, and all of the proceeds from the Bitcoin wallet goes directly into the channel. I don't use the money for anything else in my life or anything. It all goes to make the channel better. It will make so I can make this little square thing you see right here that I'm in bigger. And I will have more access to better equipment. I'll have clearer videos and stuff like that. So I'm also doing giveaways, though. So I am investing in the channel myself. Eventually, I will end up, if I don't get donations, I will end up buying the equipment myself. Right now, I can't afford really to do that in my life. I have a lot of things going on. But if you guys want to help for now until I can, put more money into the actual channel when it comes to equipment. So I'm putting money into the channel for you guys, for the customer, for the loyal subscriber. You know what I mean? For you guys to be rewarded for watching my videos, even during the boring times like this. These couple days, there's not a whole lot going on, and so I'm trying to just pull anything I can out to entertain you guys while we wait for like the price to go up, or Elon Musk to say another one of his crazy tweets, or something fun to happen in the market. Like, let's 1,000 times X freaking Bitcoin or something. You know what I mean? Just something fun, something we can do together as a community. Like the Doge Disco Dance Party. Like, I can dance, I just don't like to dance by myself. I like dancing with the tango and stuff like that. High level dancing. Let's get on Dancing with the Stars and go hard. No. Oh, I'm having fun. And if you've noticed recently in my videos, I'm a lot happier than I have been recently, and that's going to hopefully affect the channel in a positive way. Some awesome things happened in my life, and it's to do with my family. Some really cool things are happening, and I just have some advice for anybody out there. You only get one family. You only get a few people in your life that love and care about you. So just don't take for granted your family, your children, your parents. Even if they make you mad, even if you make them mad, you only get one family. So a lot of people don't know what they have until it's gone. So don't be one of those people. Cherish your family while you have them, while we're here together. You never know when another COVID could come around. You never know the last time you're going to say goodbye. So always say I love you. Always hug. Always just show them how much you love them. It probably won't be the last day, but you never know. You'd rather say I love you 1,000,000 times and not have it be the last one than not say you love them and have it be the last one. So I'm not trying to get into all that, but I just love the ones that care for you, basically. crypto. Let's look at the 4-hour chart here on Ethereum before we go. I'm just going to make this a real quick video just to keep us entertained, while we're waiting for something to happen big. Definitely, if you would have listened to me at the 1800 level, not financial advice, but you would have been up $500 right now. So let's see if we see anything right now on the 4-hour chart. Okay. Love. Da, 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 da. All right. So let's see. All right. Looks like we have another ascending wedge right here. So this could either break to the up or downside since we have two of them. I honestly don't know. We do have a head and shoulders. It looks like it broke out to the upside. I think we might have continued momentum with Ethereum right now. It looks like it's doing really good. Rep the Ethereum. Booyah. I know it's not Ethereum, but look, man, that's close. That's about as close as you can get without it actually being Ethereum merchandise, right, baby? So let's get her done. I don't know why I'm saying all this stuff. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. All right. Anyways, yeah, so our 250 subscriber milestone is coming right around the corner. We have 180 subscribers. We got 50 in less than a day. My Flare token video is blowing up. We need your help to get these videos to like 1 million likes. We're catching up with Mr. Beast. We're catching up with BitBoy Crypto. We're just going hard. We're winning. Winners back winners. You guys are winning with me, so let's get it going. Let's get it done. Let's get it popping. Ethereum represent. All right? Okay, guys, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bet.